Have you ever wondered how to build your Facebook group with your fan page? Well, in this episode number 18, I'm gonna share with you exactly what I do to build my Facebook group with my fan page. Now, if you don't know by now, Facebook groups are super powerful when you manage them yourself. Now, over the past few episodes, all I've been talking about is Facebook groups, and more Facebook groups. Why? Because when you manage your own Facebook group, you have an opportunity to enroll groups of people in a single day, which is why I've been managing my own Facebook group since 2017 and running challenges inside of them every single month. It's why I'm able to enroll 30 to 60 new customers every month like clockwork. Because like I said before, Facebook challenges, they work hands down. So in episode number 18, I'm gonna show you how I use my fan page to build my Facebook group with hot quality prospects who are ready to buy. So if you want to get access and listen to the podcast now, just go to LisaTorresSpeaks.com/18 or click on the link right below this video if you're watching on YouTube. If you're already here on my blog, the podcast player is right below this video. So go ahead and listen now, and I hope you enjoy it.